This is one of the many tricks that will be regularly displayed on this channel. Be sure to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next interesting trick. This time we will discuss about how to make an icon of the mouse cursor. While the default application icons get the job done, if you want to put a personal spin on your computer, the mouse cursor can be used as an alternative icon. First step, right-click the shortcut on the Windows 10 desktop that you want to change the icon, and then click Properties. Make sure it's on the Shortcut tab, and then click the Change Icon button. Use the Browse button to browse to the See Windows Cursors folder. Select all files in the lower right corner, select the cursor image you want, and then click Open. Click OK and then click OK again. Now you have a new icon for your application. Repeat the same method to change other application icons. Don't forget to click subscribe for more videos.